Looking for the best coffee makers to upgrade your morning routine? You're in the right place. At GadgetNest, we've researched and reviewed the best coffee makers to help you brew faster, smarter, and better, whether you love espresso, drip, or single serve. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to GadgetNest for more reviews on the latest smart kitchen tools. And make sure to check the description below for updated prices and exclusive deals on every coffee maker featured. Let's get started. Number 7. Kurig K Elite. The Kurig K Elite offers power, precision, and style in a single-serve package. With strength and temperature control, you can tailor each cup to your exact preference. Whether you're craving hot or iced coffee, this machine delivers. It supports 8 to 12-ounce brew sizes and features programmable settings for a seamless morning. Its brushed slate finish adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. The K Elite is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Setup is fast, and cleaning is minimal. It's perfect for anyone who values speed and customization. Enjoy bold, rich coffee every time, whether it's a quick espresso shot or a cool iced drink. For those who want smart features without complexity, the Kurig K Elite hits the sweet spot between convenience and performance. Number 6. Hamilton Beach Flex Brew Trio. Flexibility meets function with the Hamilton Beach Flex Brew Trio. This two-way coffee maker lets you brew with K-cup pods or your favorite grounds. Choose between a quick single cup or a full 12-cup carafe. Its fast brew system gets your coffee ready quickly, while the removable water reservoir makes refilling easy. What sets it apart? It's Alexa-enabled, allowing for voice-controlled brewing. Just speak and sip. Its black, compact design blends into any kitchen while delivering outstanding performance. Whether you're in a rush or preparing coffee for guests, this machine adapts seamlessly. Setup is simple, and the controls are user-friendly. You'll appreciate the energy-saving features and programmable timer. If you're looking for a smart, reliable, and customizable brewing solution, the FlexBrew Trio is a smart investment for your daily coffee routine. Number 5. Ninja Espresso and Coffee Maker. The Ninja Espresso and Coffee Maker barista system is built for variety and speed. With 3 espresso brew styles, this machine caters to every kind of coffee craving. Compatible with Nespresso capsules and traditional grounds, it delivers flexible single-serve brewing. The built-in frother is perfect for making creamy cappuccinos or silky lattes. Whether you're prepping a quick morning espresso or crafting an afternoon cafe-style drink, the Ninja makes it simple. Its sleek black design fits perfectly in modern kitchens, and it's compact enough to save space. The intuitive controls make brewing easy for everyone, from beginners to coffee enthusiasts. Easy to clean and maintain, this system is a time saver. Whether you love bold espresso shots or creamy milk-based drinks, the Ninja Barista system has you covered with style and functionality. Number 4. GE Profile Smart Grind and Brew. The GE Profile Smart Grind and Brew coffee maker is built for tech-savvy coffee lovers. With voice control and smart home integration, brewing your morning cup is as simple as saying the word. The adjustable burr grinder ensures fresh grounds for every brew, while the 90-ounce reservoir cuts down on refill time. Whether you prefer single-serve or a full carafe, this podless design supports both. The thermal carafe keeps coffee hot for hours, maintaining full-bodied flavor. Plus, its sleek stainless steel frame looks great in any modern kitchen. It's also SCA certified, so quality is never in question. Cleaning and maintenance are hassle-free, making it a breeze to keep this machine running at peak performance. If you're looking for flexibility, freshness, and futuristic features, the GE Profile Smart Grind and Brew is your answer. Number 3. Ninja Luxe Café Premiere. The Ninja Luxe Café Premiere series is a powerhouse of performance and design. This espresso and drip coffee combo machine includes an integrated grinder for fresh grounds, a milk frother for creamy textures, and assisted tamping for perfect espresso shots. Built-in storage keeps accessories tidy, while the stainless steel body adds a premium feel to your kitchen. Whether you're pulling an espresso or brewing a full pot, this machine has you covered. The coffee tastes as good as it looks, rich, smooth, and bold. Setup is simple and the controls are easy to master. It's ideal for both beginners and home baristas. From lattes to Americanos, this machine handles it all. If you're looking for an all-in-one coffee solution that delivers top performance and high-end design, the Ninja Luxe Café Premier should be your first pick. Number 2. Café Specialty Drip Coffee Maker. For those who crave barista-level coffee at home, the Café Specialty Drip Coffee Maker delivers. This matte black beauty features a 10-cup insulated thermal carafe that keeps your brew hot for hours. Wi-Fi-enabled voice-to-brew technology means you can start brewing from bed using Alexa or Google Assistant. With SCA certification, you're guaranteed a gold standard cup every time. This machine isn't just smart, it's stylish and efficient. The interface is intuitive, making it easy even for beginners. You'll love how seamlessly it fits into your smart home ecosystem. Whether you're brewing a pot for guests or just a cup for yourself, the Cafe Drip Coffee Maker adapts to your needs. Its thermal carafe locks in flavor and heat, so there's no rush to drink up. If you're serious about taste, tech, and temperature, this coffee maker is your kitchen essential. Number 1. Kurig K Duo. The Kurig K Duo is a perfect match for coffee lovers who want flexibility. With multi-stream technology, it extracts full flavor from every pod or ground coffee batch. Whether you're brewing a single cup or a full 12-cup carafe, this machine handles both with ease. The 72-ounce reservoir minimizes refills, ideal for busy mornings or when entertaining guests. Hot or iced, your coffee options are wide open. Its sleek black design fits modern kitchens effortlessly, and setup is a breeze. If you're seeking a versatile, user-friendly coffee maker that's built for both solo sipping and group serving, the K Duo is your go-to. Cleanup is quick, and the brewing performance remains consistently strong. Coffee enthusiasts who enjoy both convenience and variety will love this model. With simple controls and powerful features, the K Duo keeps your mornings smooth and delicious. Thanks for watching today's top picks from GadgetNest. If you enjoy discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. All product links and latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss them. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.